Regional Council from Assam, and we just met our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya. So we have a fruitful discussion regarding the 6th schedule and the 125th amendment bill that is going to pass in the Lok Sabha. So we have discussed regarding the rights of the tribal. So the coming the amendment bills, which that will be beneficial for us or not. So we are discussing broadly regarding the issue.
Well, did you seek any support or anything from Meghalaya?
Definitely, because in Assam, the tribals, they are living in the council areas, so we have the same problems. And so the problems like Meghalaya, Tripura, or Mizoram. So we have requested our Chief Minister, all the tribals should be united in to fight for our safety and security of the tribals in the 6 scheduled areas.
So, which are the other chief ministers you are meeting? Only Meghalaya CM or other CMs?
We have met in 2023, met the Chief Minister of Mizoram, Honorable Sir Zoramthanga, and we have discussed regarding the issues with our Honorable King of Tripura, Pratik Devarma. So we have discussed regarding all these issues about tribal rights, and we have discussed with also the President of India and with the ministers, Central Minister like Ramdas Athwale regarding our safety and security and rights of the tribal people.